Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this OPPO. Firstly, go into settings, then choose personalizations over here and click on themes. As you can see, the only available one is default one, so I have to go back and tap on wallpapers. Over here, select one of these sources like Whole Life Wallpapers, pick your favorite one like that one and choose apply. Then choose home screen and lock screen, by clicking on one of the options. After that, you need to go back and tap on always on display. Over here you can click on this switcher to enable or disable this feature and pick one of those options below. I want to go with custom patterns, I have to click on this clock and choose apply. After that, go back and tap on icon styles. Over here you can pick one of the available ones or choose custom and create your own by choosing agree and continue, picking one of the shapes, adjusting size and even app name. After that, you need to go back and choose app layout, then select number of columns and rows. After that, go back again and tap on fingerprint animation. Select the best one for you, go back and tap on colors. Now you can pick one of those color schemes by clicking on the chosen one and selecting apply. You can also do the same with one of those single colors. Then choose font and display size. Pick one of those font styles by clicking at the chosen one and choosing apply, and adjust size of your font and display by swiping left or right. Then choose apply and tap on notification draw. Now you can pick one of those shapes for your icons in tab menu. Finally, go back. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!